New Jersey, New Mexico, Washington, D.C., Colorado, entire continent of America,
Carachas ha comenzado en las
kicking, and biting. Have issued a 911 telephone outage in Alaska. May God bless and protect to announce, but the United States can't hold us all. We are sad to announce food, clothes, and important papers documents. May God bless America and the counties, states. Civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for Minnesota, Alaska, Idaho, Michigan, Dallas, Oregon, Oklahoma, and New Jersey. These past counties/states were bombarded a few hours ago. There are good news and bad news. The good news are that a flock of roaches went flying on these states/counties, and they carried the radiation away. Now the radiation level went from dissipating in 2 weeks from dissipating in 3 days. The bad news are, these roaches carried the radiation and went flying onto the following states: Alabama. If any of you are in Alabama, lock all doors and windows. If you spot any roach that has the following characteristics: glowing green or red, being in a flock of other similar roaches, or see green or red flying dots on the sky, you are spotting these roaches. The roaches have now become radioactive. Their brains were also affected and they now are acting like humans act. The roaches have become extremely hostile, like at the same level the infected with the disease are. All residents of Alabama should stay indoors as these roaches have now 1. Become radioactive, 2. Become extremely hostile. This TV station will be used to bring important information regarding this situation affecting the entire continent of America.
Aproximadamente às 2 da tarde.
Às 2 da manhã, essas baratas que estamos informando foram vistas brilhando nos céus do Rio Grande do Sul. A razão pela qual elas escolheram esse lugar é desconhecida, mas o que sabemos é que quando elas mordem caminhantes de rua do Rio Grande do Sul, eles injetaram uma grande quantidade de radiação de origem norte-americana e uma nova doença originária dos Estados Unidos. Mais informações serão fornecidas se encontradas.
Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the entire state of South Dakota. At 1:03 a.m., people started panic shopping in 933 stores in South Dakota. The state is on civil emergency message because some of these people show violent behavior. A message to all the panic shoppers. South Dakota is one of the states with less cases of roach, chickenpox, smallpox, and the state with the less roach invasions of the United States. If you show violent behavior, you will be put in jail. Message will be retransmitted. Civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for the entire state of South Dakota. Panic shoppers have started showing extreme violence towards officers. Some of them have gone full killer mode and started shootings on the malls they were in, residential areas, or just driving insanely on the city of South Dakota, shooting to the sky. Lock all doors and windows as these murderers are going to residential areas and the city of South Dakota. If you are on South Dakota, lock all doors and windows. If you are on the mall, take precautions as these people show extreme violence to other shoppers. Civil authorities have issued a nuclear power plant warning for East Washington, D.C. At 5:28 a.m., a nuclear power plant on Washington, D.C. has thrown toxic and radioactive materials to the air. This action was mistaken for an almost power outage to East Washington, D.C. It has been going on for more than 30 minutes. People on the Washington, D.C. East area should 1. Leave the area without being outside more than 20 minutes or 2. Stay indoors and shelter in place. This is not a nuclear explosion, like in the case of Chernobyl. This is only a radioactive waste material leak on the air of East Washington, D.C. It's believed the roaches sneaked in the power plant and made the system fail, which caused the radioactive waste leak. These animals have also gained even more radiation when a roach is spotted. Do not interact with them. It's now worrying faster to get the red spots in the skin. Only 10 seconds of having your fingers on these animals can cause you to get the roach, chickenpox, smallpox disease. All East Washington, D.C. residents should shelter in place in their homes or leave the area without being outside more than 20 minutes. Civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for San Francisco. Telephone lines have been having connection issues in the entire state of San Francisco. This is an emergency as these people have been having issues calling 911.